Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to subscribe other calendars to the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on first you need to log in by using your Touch ID or your passcode if you have set it. Then tap on this second button down below, which is the calendar option, and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on calendar subscription, which is the third option, and here you can subscribe other calendars to TickTick, such as your local calendar for local viewing only. Tap on OK. Here you need to allow access, and you have other options here, such as local calendar, so the default options such as calendar, and there are folders that you have created, birthdays, series suggestions, and Hungarian national holidays. If you go back, you can add a new calendar if you have a premium subscription. However, if you turn on this do not disturb function, you won't receive notifications for calendar events in TickTick. So tap on done, and now all of the changes have been saved and updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.